Moment firework explodes in Bonfire Night idiot's face after he puts it in mouth. A man in Edinburgh instantly regretted his decision to put a firework in his mouth on Bonfire Night when it exploded back in his face. The incident occurred amidst widespread chaos across the UK, with yobs hurling fireworks at riot police in violent clashes in Edinburgh, Manchester, and Glasgow. In a bizarre scene captured on video, the man aimed the firework at the sky, using his jaw while an onlooker encouraged him. However, sparks erupted into his face, causing panic among onlookers. The man's condition is currently unknown, and emergency services have been contacted for comment. Firefighters received numerous calls as cities across the UK descended into mayhem. In Edinburgh, yobs launched fireworks at vehicles and set wheelie bins ablaze, prompting a police helicopter to land in an estate. Similarly, in Manchester, louts clashed with police, creating barricades and setting fires. 3 teenagers have been arrested for causing violent disorder. Witnesses described the scenes as resembling a war zone. Riot police were deployed to a housing estate in Edinburgh where gangs were launching fireworks at vehicles and setting wheelie bins on fire. Innocent bystanders were caught up in the chaos as well. Police attempted to control the situation by forming lines and charging towards the group of troublemakers. Despite their efforts, yobs continued to throw fireworks even after the police left the scene. Roads were closed due to fireworks being thrown at vehicles, and a police helicopter was used to monitor the area from above. Similar incidents occurred in other areas of Edinburgh, with missiles being thrown at riot police, and further disorder reported elsewhere in the city. These events followed Halloween fireworks mayhem in the same community just days earlier. The police have vowed to find those responsible for these acts of violence involving fireworks during Halloween and Bonfire Night celebration. Please leave your comments below. Please like and subscribe.